so next I'm going to do the liquid foundation along with the loose powder foundation. And I'm going to do blush, highlighting, bronzer, and it's pretty much just going to be my everyday full face. But a pump is pretty good for the face, especially if you're going to put loose powder foundation on top. Now we're going to get into the sandy beige loose powder foundation. So now we have the Vacation in a Jar Mineral Bronzer, and I'm just a tad, like right there, my contouring brush. We're going to go back into the mineral loose foundation. Now we're going to go into highlighting and brows, and then we're going to call it a day. Into the blush, and I ran out of the Priia Cosmetics blush, so I'm sorry. I usually use it in Dusty Rose, but today we're just gonna have to use Becca. This is Aura. I think this is actually the luminizer. This is what it looks like. This is from Priia Cosmetics, and I usually just kind of put it on with my finger. If you're looking for something a lot more shimmery and natural, I would definitely go with Aura. Look at that, look at the shine. Oh my god, I love this thing. From Beauty Bar Baby, and this is actually from Etsy. It's all vegan, super good, and doesn't cause anything to your skin. Doesn't react, doesn't clog anything. It's really good. That's insane. That's insane. It honestly, it wouldn't be as crazy as this as if I didn't have this. That is insane. Alright, now this is the final product of the liquid and loose powder foundation, luminizer, bronzer, blush, and this is everything. And as you can see now that like you add kind of things on top, the coverage is really good. I think after a while the foundation sets in a bit and it covers so well. So there you have it. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one.